Welcome to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, we bring you a real-world office conversation between two colleagues working together on an urgent project. You'll hear useful phrases, teamwork vocabulary, and natural sentence structures. Watch till the end to improve your English fluency through real, relatable conversations. I just checked the calendar. We've only got 5 days left to deliver the client presentation. 5 days? That really crept up on us. I thought we had more time. Same here. The deadline is tighter than we expected, and we still have a lot of moving pieces. We've barely finalized the data, and the visuals aren't even halfway done. Yeah, and remember, the client asked for that detailed market comparison too. We can't skip that. Definitely not. If we miss that part, it'll look like we weren't paying attention. I was thinking we should divide things up right now. I'll take care of the data analysis and draft the comparison. Okay, I can focus on the visuals and start building the slide deck. But we also need that intro video the design team promised. Exactly. We must send them the draft script by tomorrow morning, or else all our efforts will go in vain. I'll write a rough version tonight and share it with you for review. Great. And we need to check with Rahul from legal too. We can't include those competitor references without clearing them. Right, I completely forgot. I'll email him right after this. We don't want any compliance issues. Good call. Also, let's block some time with the manager on Friday to do a final dry run. Yeah, it's important she signs off before we send it out. She has a sharp eye for detail. By the way, should we include a Q and A slide at the end? That's a good idea. We can anticipate possible questions and have answers ready. Makes us look more prepared. Exactly. And let's remember to time ourselves. We can't go over 15 minutes for the presentation. Oh man, we really have to be strategic. There's so much to include and not much time. Tell you what, let's work late today and regroup tomorrow morning. We can check progress and fill in any gaps. Deal. I'll grab a coffee and dive in. Let's make this presentation our best yet. Absolutely. We've got this. Just need to stay focused and support each other. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.